Hey, over here in this little box on the screen, it's me, Jack. I'm the guy who made PostBridge. And I made this app because posting to 8 different platforms on 2, 3, 4 different accounts takes way too much time. Manually, it's going to eat into your day, it's going to eat into your productivity, and that's why I'm going to show you how you can do that in 60 seconds instead of 60 minutes right here on PostBridge. First things first, you're going to make sure that you connect all the accounts you want to post to on PostBridge. Connect them here, and once you have them once, you'll never have to go back into the app to do all that scrolling and switching accounts ever again. After you've done that, go create a post here. Select the post type you want. We're going to do a video post. And then select the accounts you want to post this post to. I'm going to select a bunch of my personal accounts here. And remember for next time, so it auto selects it for me. And then upload the video that you want to use. We're going to do this one. We're going to set the cover image now so it's not just a black screen. And then we're going to write a caption right here. And we can even edit the caption for whatever platform we want. We're going to edit Facebook because those people talk a bit differently and have a bit different of a lingo. And then we can pick the date we want to put this post out for. Let's do the 22nd of October at 2:20 p.m. and press the schedule button. It's going to send the magical file we just uploaded to the magical server in the cloud. And then that post is now scheduled. At this time, on this day, it will go out to all of these platforms at the same time just by posting it once here. And the great part about this is we can edit it before then, we can change the date, and we can also see it in our calendar view over here on the 21st if we want to reference when our posting is. We also have a weekly view, and you can see the all view for all posted posts and scheduled posts, the scheduled post view, and the posted post view if you want to filter down and see what is going on in all of your social posts. And that's PostBridge. Basically, you can also use this little bulk tool, but I'll let you figure that out on your own to bulk upload videos. But yeah, this is the tool that I've used for the last year now, and it's worked really well to save me time every single day posting to my personal and brand accounts. Give it a try for free. There's a 7-day free trial. Click the button up or below me and let me know what you think.